how to make money in business. So I just arrived at Vince's place, his 15-acre place, and we're gonna find out from these two experts here on what it takes to start earning money in business. So we're gonna start with Armin Morin. Those of you who don't know this guy, just do a search for his name, you know how amazing, you're like the godfather of making money online, right?
It makes me sound so old though when you say something like that. It's like great-grandfather type of idea. That's what I hear when you say that.
Well, you know, you have a good reputation. So, Armin, so people watching on YouTube right now, what's the one tip you can give to them to start earning money online?
Yeah, I mean, think about this. What you love right now is a passion that you have of yours. So the question that I always think about is, what can I take that I'm passionate about and turn it into a profit? And in other words, can I teach someone to do what I know how to do? That's probably the easiest way for anyone to make money. So for example, we're shooting a video right now. The beautiful part about the world today is that we have a phone.
Yes.
Anyone has a phone that you can take this phone and you can actually shoot yourself demonstrating how to do something, and then you can take that video, put it up online, and literally charge people for that particular knowledge, and that's it. That's how simplistic it actually is, and people are making boatloads of money by doing exactly that. That's
pretty amazing. And Vince, let's come to you. You know, you have made a fortune in property, so a lot of people watching, so we've got cash flow, we talk about assets now. So how do people start making money through real estate and property investing?
Well, it depends whether you want to make a little money or you want to make a lot of money, right? If it's the latter, you need to acquire the skills of negotiation, because a lot of people are fixated on fixing up houses, doing renovation, and that takes a lot of work and resource. But for me, if you can negotiate a deal instantly and get 25 to 30% discount, you don't even have to do anything at all. So I'll give you 3 quick tips in negotiation. Number 1, never be the first to name the figure. The one who names the figure will lose. Number 2, don't make assumptions, right? Don't make a decision beforehand whether the other party will or will not consider a deal. And number 3, I don't know, number 3, maybe learn how to close, all right? But push for the close. If you can't close a deal, you don't have a deal at all. That's it.
Awesome. So you've got 2 strategies, and now I'm going to give you a third one. And the third one is really to start thinking about different types of marketing out there. So there's like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing. In fact, did you know that if you can just get thousands of people following you on Instagram or any social media platform, that people actually pay you money for making a post? This is what we call social influence. And a lot of you need to start creating what we call social equity and also your influencer power. And when you get a lot of people following, you have so many different brands that will start to follow you and also pay you money for that. And imagine just being here, you know, on your phone and just making a post, and every time you make a post you get paid money for it. So there's so many different ways you can do that. It's a really good piece of software called tribegroup.co. Go and check that out, start making posts on here as well, and you can start earning some money. So if you love all the things we've talked about, below there's going to be subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to make sure you see all our videos. And also Armin Morin, make sure you check him out on Instagram and on Facebook and YouTube, and also Vincent One. Make sure you check out his channel on Instagram and also YouTube as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions whatsoever, comment below and I'll do my very best to personally reply to that. This is John Lee, the author of The Wealth Dragon Way. Bye for now.